Welcome to the InstaFob introduction video. The main goal of this quick video is to show the basic of our newest key fob cloning system. Our system is specialized in copying residential and commercial key fobs and badges. We do not clone card key fobs at this time. Let's jump right in and start with a simple key fob copy. First, you will select the New Order button, and the system will show you the two different options. Option number 1 is the top one on the list that says New. You're going to select when the customer brings a physical key fob that needs to be cloned. On the other hand, if the customer already has used InstaFob before and saved his key fob in our cloud database, you should select the previously saved option. Let's go with the first option and select New Key Fob. Then, ask the customer to place his physical and original key fob on the middle of the sensor. Next, press Continue, and in less than 5 seconds, you should see a message on the screen that confirms that the key fob can be copied. It is important to mention that the key fob cloning compatibility tests are always free, so that could entice the customer to try it. It is also important to perform the cloning compatibility test before opening the package with the blank key fob. This way, if the cloning compatibility test fails, we don't risk losing new product. Our system has a high compatibility to clone several technologies, but in case InstaFob cannot perform the cloning, we advise the customer to try back in a couple of months. Our system will continue to be updated often, and we might not perform that type of cloning just now. Now, let's move to the next step in the process. Now, you will ask for the customer's cell phone number and enter it into the machine. As you see, the customer should receive an agreement on his cell phone and will reply by entering his full name as a digital confirmation of this agreement. And don't worry, all of the information stored in the cloud is highly secure, encrypted, and we would never share it. After the customer replies to the text message with his full name, you will see his full name displayed on the machine, and you will then ask for the customer ID, for example, a driver's license, to validate with the message back. And remember, there's no need to grab the customer's ID. Simply confirm by looking and matching it with what you see in the machine display. In this case, the ID matches to the customer full name, so we can now move to select how many key fobs they want to copy. Let's select 2 copies now as an example. Press Copy, and then take the blank InstaFob and place it face down on the middle of the machine. If the product comes inside the box, this is the time to open it to perform the cloning. Press Copy again, and the system will perform the cloning as well as the cloning verification. After the first copy is completed, remove the copied key fob and place a second blank key fob onto the machine facing down. If the second copy is a sticker, it should also be placed facing down on the middle of the machine. By the way, sticker key fobs are really cool, and they work just the same as normal key fobs, but you can stick it on the back of your phone, dog leash, side of your purse, many ways. Stickers have an anti-frequency layer that prevents them from interfering with cell phone frequency. That's the reason why we should face down in the machine. Errors are rare but can happen. In case of a cloning failure, try again or replace the product if fails continues to happen. And that's it. In less than 20 seconds, we have performed 2 copies of key fobs. At this point, the customer will receive a thank you message, and if they want to label their key fob in the system, they can do so as well from their phone. One of our InstaFob policies is that none of our partners and associates are allowed to copy an already copied key fob. This is what makes our process secure and reliable. In case an associate still tries to clone an already cloned key fob, the machine logs the attempt and declines the cloning, as you can see it here. Last but not least, if a customer has made an InstaFob copy at any other location, we can simply use their saved key fob from the cloud. So let's go through that process. First, click on the Previously Saved button and type the customer's cell phone. This will trigger the system to send the customer a text message with the agreement. Now it's the same process as before. You check their ID and click to confirm. You will receive back from the system all of the customer's previously saved key fobs. Select the preferred key fob that the customer would like to copy. Type how many copies he wants, add the blank key fob onto the machine, and select copy. The process is exactly the same as with an original key fob copy, but we are using the key fob saved in the cloud with no need for the original key fob. Cool, right?
InstaFob, your safe, secure, and affordable key fob copy in less than 1 minute. Thanks for watching.